So Stephen Caruso to lead them in. Matt Eagle is outside. Ryan Jones and Hayden Pitt entering the Osloan Finance start zone. We're green. Oh! Caruso didn't get the best of starts. The thing stood up on its front wheels. Out of turn number 2, our leader is Matt Eagle. Look at Hayden Pitt working the inside. Pitt up to 3rd. Our leader is Matt Eagle. Oh, the track is teeth. Hayden Pitt to the inside. Gets by Caruso. Pitty going forward. Though it's Matt out in front. 2nd is Pitt, 3rd is Caruso, 4th is Jones. Then we go back to David Murcott. Lockie McHugh going forward, gets by Murky. Battle now for 3rd. Jones slides by Caruso. Battle on screen, Lockie McHugh racing hard with David Murcott. 2 of the best in the country. Murky on the outside. Lockie McHugh on the bottom. On screen right now, the battle between Caruso and Ryan Jones for 3rd. Leader now in the lap traffic. There's Jones getting by Caruso. Caruso trying to get him back in 4. Great race, side by side. Jones on the top. Caruso on the bottom. Still racing hard for 3rd. Leader is still Matt Eagle. He's out by 1.3 seconds. He's carving through this lap traffic as he heads into 1.
Yeah, race leader coming out of 2 now. Pitt riding the runs through 1 and 2. Back there in 2nd. Back then to Ryan Jones on screen is your race leader Matt Eagle. 11 down, 9. As Eagle now onto the back of Hobson, up ahead of him. They're having a battle of their own in the mid-pack, but it's all happening in front of your race leader right now. He's taking time to look, think and see how he's wide in front of the race leader.
I tell you what, Hayden Pitt is not out of this one. Hayden Pitt just needs to get through lap traffic, goes, dives on the inside of Hurd, on the outside of Hutchins. Here comes Hayden Pitt in the S7. Eagle on the high side, but Hayden Pitt has the hot rod right now. Oh, he almost got to the back of Ashton Maneve. Missed the dropped the momentum that he had going, and maybe some damage on top. Hayden Pitt has got the bottom working. This time with 5 to go, so too is Ryan Jones. Jones is coming like a steam train right now. Working the bottom, he's got the wing cranked back. He's found a groove that he's liking right now. Matt Eagle still persisting with the top, but the bottom's starting to come in now. As Eagle switches to the bottom in 1 and 2. Jones, Jones and Pitt make contact. Down the back straight away. Both cars continue. That was a scary moment. Oh! Big crash, Ryan Jones! Upside down in 1 and 2. They made contact on the back straight. The lap on the infield, so 4 laps to go for the Sprintcars SA Club Show here at Murray Bridge. Back underway for Murray Machining and Sheds. There's Lockie McHugh straight to the fence in turn number 1 and 2. He'll look to the outside of Hayden Pitt. 1 lap, and Matt Eagle has gapped them in the 52. Lockie's still right up there on the top of the racetrack. He'll get by Pitt, so too will Dillon. Oh, Luke Dillon bounces his way through 4. How did he keep it on all 4 wheels? Gets back on the gas, Hayden Pitt's in trouble. Leader is Matt Eagle. 2nd is Lockie McHugh. Have a look at the ruts developing in 3 and 4. They're like a rodeo bucking machine down through 3 and 4. Matt Eagle drives around it. Lockie McHugh drives below it. Caruso to the inside of Hayden Pitt, checkered flag out. The win will go to Matt Eagle, 2nd to Lockie McHugh.